Check your phone right now. You just got hit with a $35 overdraft fee. You think, irresponsible, lazy, failure. Stop. This isn't your fault. This is a fee for having a brain that runs on chaos. That specific, corrosive flavor of shame, that is the ADHD tax. It is the hidden financial penalty you pay simply because your brain prioritizes novelty over paperwork. You think you're bad with money. You are wrong. Your personal, hidden, yearly ADHD tax is over $5,000. $5,000 just for existing in the wrong system. This is a cold, hard calculation. We are going to audit your life right now. We will track every penny lost to your own brain. The final number is terrifying. Let's start with the silent killer in your kitchen, the good intentions tax. You bought that spinach because you were going to be a healthy person this week, but you lack the executive function to cook. That's $5 straight into the trash. A penalty for friction. Add that to the calculator. But it gets worse. Because you didn't cook the spinach, you had to order takeout. Again. The markup is the tax. That's an extra $18 you paid for a 24-hour delay in your decision-making. The total is rising fast. You pay the tax across 3 structural pillars: friction, forgetfulness, and focus. The rest of this video exposes the full cost. Pillar 1, friction. The inability to start a task you know needs doing. The tiny step that costs you a massive late fee. Pillar 2, forgetfulness. The out-of-sight, out-of-mind phenomenon turned criminal. The money you didn't even know you were losing. Pillar 3, focus. The craving for novelty and stimulation. This is your impulse buying, the sudden $400 purchase you must have to cure the boredom. We found $23 so far, but let's expose the 2 highest cost taxes you didn't even realize you were paying: compliance and time blindness. Tax category 4, compliance. This is the insurance premium you forgot to renew, the missed deadline for a government benefit, the paperwork that sits undone for months. You pay the penalty for friction, higher insurance rates, missed opportunities, and thousands in lost savings, all because you couldn't touch the filing cabinet. Tax category 5, the subscription trap. You sign up for the free trial, convinced you will remember to cancel. You never remember. That's a penalty for forgetfulness. We're adding a conservative $45 to the tax for vampire subscriptions and forgotten fees this month. The total is now $68. Tax category 6, the hobby graveyard. You hyperfixate. You buy all the gear, the $400 camera lens, the coding boot camp, then 2 weeks later, the dopamine wears off. You bought things for the click, the anticipation, not the item itself. That is the highest cost of the focus tax. We are adding a conservative $200 for impulse purchases this month. The total is now $268. Scale that out. That is over $3,200 a year. Just gone. You are losing thousands. Enough pain. How do you stop the bleeding? Here are 5 low-effort hacks that work with your brain, not against it. Hack number 1, the digital wallet shield. Automate your minimum payments to a bill-paying account the second your paycheck hits. You cancel the late fee tax instantly. Hack number 2, the 48-hour rule. Nothing enters your home for 48 hours. Add it to the cart, get the rush, then walk away. The novelty will wear off. Hack number 3, the anchor spot. Your keys, your wallet, your phone, give them a home, a single dedicated spot. Make the system easier than the mistake. Hack number 4, the audit file system. Stop letting compliance documents pile up. Create one physical folder for action required and check it once a week, 5 minutes. Hack number 5, the one in, one out rule. This combats time blindness and impulse clutter. If you buy something new, something old must leave immediately. This forces immediate action, reducing waste and clutter. You have now armed yourself with the 5 rules to reclaim your $5,000. The true cost of the ADHD tax isn't just the money, it's the anxiety. It's the feeling that you are constantly failing, and you cancel that feeling starting today. This is the final calculation. You are not irresponsible. The system you were taught simply did not account for your brilliant, chaotic brain. Stop taking the blame. Stop using shame as your motivator. Start using simple systems as your armor. You deserve to keep the money you earned. This is how you win against your own brain. If you paid an ADHD tax this week, hit the like button. That single click validates your struggle and helps others find this video. Want more high-value, low-effort life hacks? Subscribing is the easiest thing you can do to pay yourself back right now. Do it! Share this with one person who desperately needs to see that $5,000 calculation.